Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. I have kind of a battle of the boxes that you order instead of a monthly subscription, and it is the InStyle Walmart Beauty Box, the award-worthy beauty, and then also the Target Beauty Box for the month of March. We're going to start with Target. So every time you order Target, they go on sale on the first of the month or roughly around there. I always kind of look for when my subscription addiction posts that it is coming up. And then you get a little card like this inside of it. They are $7 and you get a $3 coupon as well. This month it is nice and springy with the yellow tissue paper. And this is what it looks like inside. So obviously the first thing that I will talk about is this little thing that fell out. It is a number 7 Early Defense Glow Activating Serum. So that's kind of nice. The next thing in here, oh, I love this so much. This is the Pantene Foam Conditioner Sheer Volume. And I got one of these in a Walmart beauty box and I really liked it. So that was part of the reason why I decided to go ahead and get this month's box. Then we have a dry shampoo from Nexus. It is Clean and Pure Refreshing Mist, unscented. And this one, since I don't do dry shampoo, will be going, I will be passing that one along. The next thing in here is from St. Ives. It is a skin renewing collagen and elastin body lotion, which I like St. Ives a lot. It sounds like a nice, oh, it smells really nice, yes. So good size lotion. This is 2 ounces, so that's a nice full size lotion. Feels nice on the hands right now as well. Next in here is from Olay. It is a cleansing infusion hydrating glow body wash in the scent Crushed Ginger. Let's see if we can smell this one. Ooh. That is very gingery. That smells very nice. The last 2 things in here are color items. One is a color for your hair. This is a Color Crave by Clairol hair makeup. So you can paint in purple streaks, shake tube, squeeze, swipe onto strands, blow dry it to lock in color, and wash out with shampoo. So that will be fun to try. And then the last thing in here is one of the new Wet n Wild quads. This is Sweet as Candy, and I'm going to open it up and we'll do some swatches. All right, and there it is. I have gotten it open. It is one of the $3 quads that they have now. So there is a transition, an eyelid, a crease, and a brow bone. Tells you on each one where they go. And we'll go ahead and swatch them. Ooh, that pink is very pretty. Yeah, those look pretty nice. So I think for $7, this box was definitely worth it. I do get a $3 coupon as well to spend on beauty and like skincare and stuff like that at Target. So that's an added value as well. Now let's go ahead and open up the InStyle award-winning beauty. And in here, you can get 2 free issues of InStyle magazine if you don't already subscribe, which I do. And then this is what it looks like inside. There are a couple of repeats from what we just looked at. So there is another Olay Cleansing Infusion, Hydrating Glow Body Wash in Crushed Ginger. And then there is also another Pantene Foaming Conditioner, which I am happy with. I'll take it. Then here is an Olay Regenerist Whip Active Moisturizer in a trial size. It seems like it feels pretty hefty. But I will say most of this is just packaging. This is what it actually looks like. And that is what it looks like inside. I think I've had like a foil packet of that in the past, but it will be nice to try it, more of it. Then we have a Crest 3D White Fluoride Anti-Cavity Toothpaste Whitening Therapy, which I'm not even going to try. That is one thing that I will pass along because I have so many reactions to toothpaste. And oh, I forgot to mention this box is $5, and if it is still available, I will link it down below. Last two things, this is a clinical strength deodorant from Secret. We'll see how big this one is. Oh, nice travel size. Always useful if you're going away for a little bit. And then there is a Found Beauty, which I think is an exclusive through Walmart, and it is a coconut sheet mask for brightening, 94% natural. So let me know if you've gotten either of these boxes, if you subscribe to Walmart Beauty Box in general or not. I actually do, but I have not gotten my winter box yet. It is now officially spring. It is the 24th of March as I'm filming this, and last night they finally sent me a thing saying, oh hey, we're getting ready to ship your winter box. And I was like, are you insane? Like, it is spring already. I should have my spring box on the way, not my winter box, because winter is over. So I'm looking for my spring box in July and my summer box in October at this point. Let me know what your thoughts were on these, if you've gotten yours in a more timely fashion than I have. I hope you are having a fantastic day. I do have a giveaway going on. I will put a link to that video down below as well, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.